You ready?
Here we go.
Guess that gadget.
Okay.
Wow.
First of
Gigantic Legos?
Clearly an octopus.
Yes.
all, looks like a toy my kids would play with.
That's not for the kitchen.
Oh my.
I can put my
It's
hair
some
up with
sort
these.
of. You could. This is also a multifunction necklace bracelet.
It's like those ones that we had in school. Remember, you had the different color bracelets, and they were like,
Yeah.
red is for love.
This sticks to some sort of surface, a table, a wall, or on certain people. Is that painful?
Nope,
What about
I'm good.
now?
I'm good.
What about now? Okay. Oh,
We're gonna peel. We're gonna peel some kind
something
of.
potato.
Maybe
Is
this.
it a grape noodler?
What's Tim cooking tonight? Grape spaghetti.
Yeah, we're not peeling grapes.
No.
You could shave your candle.
Shave your candle. We're
Not
not,
a
peeling
candle.
candles. I don't know that we're peeling a cantaloupe.
Well, this.
What are your thoughts on this?
The donut tower.
this becomes a donut tower.
We're not
No
peeling
donuts.
donuts.
Something
Okay,
is gonna get.
Whoa.
Oh, I feel good about that.
We're going to crush them. And guess what happens after we crush them?
We'll make wine.
We're going to make some wine.
It's a winemaker.
It
I like
is
where your
a
head's at.
wine maker.
Oh, okay. I
Do
think
you have
that's.
it?
Well,
Okay,
I
okay.
feel like it's gonna peel the apple.
There you go. Ooh.
Good job.
There we go.
Here we go.
Ooh.
There we go.
All right. I think we have success.
We got it.
Yes, America.
We got this gadget.
Yes.
Oh, I love
Good job.
Here we go.
This is like oddly satisfying.
It is oddly satisfying.
yeah.
How about that?
But I still want to know
Brown
what
sugar
these
apple.
are for.
Okay, so let's see.
You have long hair? You like, if I had long hair, you'd put it up. This really hurts.
Go. Circulation in your head.
You remember the 80s. You remember a band called Loverboy? Well, the lead singer, known for his headbands, which is one of the, right? If you look at how this is working with my sweater right now,
It's going really
it's
well.
going really well.
I'm gonna give you a clue.
Okay,
This is for that.
We don't want any spillage here. We don't have time for that.
Wow, this would become so handy.
No
in
way.
the kitchen.
Way.
Oh, it's like a hair tie
For right. A bag scrunchie.
for your perishables.
Ding, ding, ding. You got it.
And then you
got
just, like-
work it.
Thanks.
Sachet.
Handbag
Shantae.
events.
We could be a van.
Take it on the road.